Hey everybody, we are going to be making some buckeyes today. You can see I've got my peanut butter and sugar mixture, which has a little bit of butter, salt, and vanilla that I mixed in a electric mixer. I formed them into balls and put them into the freezer for about 15 minutes. I have some melted dark chocolate here that we're going to be using for dipping. I use a dark chocolate melting wafer. You can use just regular dark chocolate and add a little bit of shortening to it if you don't like to use the melting wafers. I find that I have better results using the melting wafers instead of just the actual chocolate. So these are so easy to make and they're so yummy and delicious. You simply take a toothpick and you dip them in and you just get the extra off, put it back down. Okay, so again, you're just taking your frozen or, well, somewhat frozen. It was in there for 15 minutes, so it's not like completely frozen, but at least it's gonna hold its shape. Dip it into your chocolate, put it back down onto your baking sheet that has a parchment liner on it. You'll notice here, right, you have your little indents. Just simply use your finger and you can then put them back so they have a nice smooth top. And there you have it. It is so completely easy to make these buckeyes. They make super great treats for the holidays. I'm using mine for a Toy Story 4 party that we're going to be having. We are so excited for the new movie. So we decided to make these buckeyes for Bullseye for our Toy Story 4 inspired desserts that we're going to be making. So happy baking!